What's going on, guys? We are going to start building an Xmaxx. Got a bunch of parts here. Mainly we've got the chassis, A-arm, shock towers, battery hold downs, I think just the steering links, bearings, which we won't really need yet. I don't have any of the diffs or like the gears or shafts or anything like that yet. Mainly just most of the plastic parts, but over time I'm just gonna collect them. This will just be part one. I'm gonna put this into a big playlist, and over time as I collect parts I'll just start making more videos and just do more builds. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, got the rear end almost done. Just gonna put the A-arms on there. I just realized that I can't put the skid plates on because I don't have the tie bars just yet. I do have the little metal parts that go right here though, but I just don't have those tie plates yet. But I think I can probably put the metal skid plate on there, and then as soon as I'm done with the rear, we can move on to the front section. Alright, you guys, so I got the A-arms on there. It's a little bit difficult. I had to slightly loosen the towers just a little bit from each other so I could able to fit this pin on the top arm. But everything is going in smoothly. I don't have these little covers yet. I'm gonna upgrade these probably to the RPMs and move on towards the front. Alright, you guys, we are almost done. Don't have much more to do. I probably got this done in about an hour. We do have the carriers for the front, so I can also put those on. Don't have the rears yet. Probably gonna get the RPM ones, just right off the bat. But let's go ahead and do these and see where we're at. guys, I'm an idiot. I put the wrong pin in here. Now it's flush. It's supposed to stick out just a little bit, and there's supposed to be a cover for this one. I freaking put the wrong one in. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. She is almost ready to go. I noticed that I didn't have the right amount of pins for this side, so I'm gonna have to order a couple more, which kind of sucks, but oh well. Now I think I'm going to put these RPM ones on the rear, but what you have to do is when you stick these in, you just have a stopping point there. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to drill out a hole, so that way the whole thing can slide through. So that way, when you're driving this thing, the pin doesn't pop off. There we go, guys, got that all put together. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, but we got those ready, and I think that's almost it. All right, you guys, this is it for part 1 of my Xmaxx build. I think it's looking pretty good so far. Really excited how it turned out. Really liking the stainless screw look to it. It's gonna look pretty nice, you guys. Super excited. So what I'm planning on putting in this is a Max 6 with a 1100 kV motor. That's just gonna come in a combo. Just gonna stick that on here. I'm gonna get a special motor mount just off of eBay. And then I think I'm gonna get a WFO spur or pinion or something like that. And maybe another one by, whatchamacallit, B&M Racing. I think I'm gonna go with those two for my pinion and spur. Everything else I think is gonna be stock, except for also the body. The body I'm probably gonna use a Proline Raptor, just like in my older days. Other than that, I think that's it. Gonna probably get the steering linkage next, and probably, I don't know what else I'm getting. Probably the front bumper and those correct pins, and probably the pin covers as well. So I think that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe and push that bell button if you want to see this build. It's going to be epic, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.